Wag, no, baby. Baby, no. Huwag maasarin si kuya. Pugay ka talaga eh. Aasarin mo pa si kuya, oh.
Two little eyes to look around.
No.
Two little ears to hear each sound.
Mm.
One little nose to smell what's sweet. And one little mouth that likes to eat. Yay! Good job! Show me your thumbs. Let's see where is Thumbkin. Where is Thumbkin?
Where is Thumbkin?
Here I am.
No, baby, no. No, wag mo asarin si kuya. Inaasar naman talaga eh. Alam mo, ikaw ang hilig mong pagpaiyak kay kuya, ha? Talagang ano ka eh, hamit ka eh, oh. Oh. Hamit ka talaga kay kuya mo, ha? Ay! Inaasar niya si kuya. Inaasar mo si kuya, ha?
What would you do and what would you say? Say good morning, elephant.
Dali dito, babe. Dali dito, kuya. Dali. Kuya, come here. Dali, dali.
Now may I dance with
Dali, kuya. Dali dito, dito. Dali, kuya. Dito ka na. Dali, huwag ka dyan.